Hello everyone, welcome to this Python course. Welcome to Python 3 Beginner 7 filed IO or 1.0. We're going to talk about files are easy in Python, great way to store data, great way to unload information, reading, writing, appending, close the file after. What that means. Example number 1. Create a text file called myfile.txt. Put a few words in there. Create a tut7.py. Load the text file in our program and print it to the command line. We use R read mode. Some word cat, hat, mat, sat, as you see in the previous session. Type what I did till here, myfile.txt, print ls tut4, 5, 6 we have, and this is tut7. I go back to slides. vim tut7.py. Just remember, new file. It's going to insert, define, main. Next line. F equal open myfile.txt, comma, R. We are going to lose R. Next line. For line in F. Semicolon. Print line. F dot close. Parentheses. Next line, if underline name, underline equal, double equal main. Next line, WQ. Python 3 tut7.py. You can see the words cat, fat, bat, mat, and hat. We go back to example, stripping, must strip new lines and carry as returned from the lines. We read in otherwise our strings will contain new lines. This stands for new line character, and this stands for carry as return. We can strip these using the strip function in Python. Example 2. Add to tut7.py. Edit print line dot strip. And output we use the W write mode. Let's edit tut7.py to output for user entered, steering into our file. Write function. And let's edit that. Save the word to file using write. Add a follow that asks for ask the user to input a word. Go back to the window. My file text will replace W2R instead of R for I in range. We put 4 and space, next line, F dot right. Please enter a word. Print line strip plus and print line strip, yes. Close if name equal main. Hat, mat, bat, fat. You remember those words? Vim, we type vim, my file, .txt, enter. Those 4 words, hat, mat, bat, fat, or there are in the above, on the above. As you can see, we go back to PowerPoint. This statement automatically handles closing and cleaning up the file. Can't always be used in every situation. It allows a file to be opened for a block of code. With open file name txt w as f, do something with f. Next example. Let's try out the with statement. We will output a list. With statement. I'm going to remove with words. Instead of that, equal bracket cat, comma set, comma bat and mat, close bracket. With open words.txt .w close bracket add f open for word invert f dot right word in the parentheses plus slash sorry to come out the slash n finish. WQ vim word.txt some notes. Close after use. We create file if it does not yet exist, must convert other data types to string before outputting, for example. Okay, that's it for today. Next will be exception handling, feel free to leave questions in the comments. I'll try to answer all of them, but please Google your question first. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.